English muffins are an essential breakfast bread. They serve as a foundation to what is arguably two of the most famous brunch dishes, which is Eggs Benedict and McDonald's Egg McMuffin. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mac and this is Mac Loves Cooking. So I'm going to show you how easy it is for you at home to recreate your very own English muffins. First, we're going to start by proofing of the yeast. In a bowl, add in half a cup of warm water followed by half a cup of warm milk, and then to it add in 3 teaspoons of sugar, and lastly add in 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix and set aside for about 5 minutes. After the yeast has proofed, add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 teaspoons of salt. For our flour, add in 1 cup, mix, and then add in the remaining flour, but only add 1/3 of a cup at a time up until all the flour has amounted to 2.5 cups of flour. Lightly flour your working area and knead your dough for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, lightly oil your bowl and place your dough, cover with plastic and set aside in a warm place for about 1 hour. After your dough is proofed, punch it in to knock the air out. Roll it out on a lightly dusted surface and roll your dough to within a thickness of 1 centimeter or 2. Using a cookie cutter or a floured cup, cut your English muffins into your desired sizes. And place them on a lightly dusted baking tray. Cover and let it rise for an hour or until it has doubled in size. Oil your cast iron skillet and set it on medium heat. Place your muffins and cook for about 4 minutes per side, constantly checking it to avoid burning your muffins. And then there you have it, folks. Easy English McMuffins. Great for Egg McMuffin breakfast sandwiches or just enjoy it with jam and tea. Check the description below for the best ever beef, bacon and egg McMuffin. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, guys. I'm Mac from Mac Loves Cooking, signing out. Peace.